Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the vent grill on your Whirlpool microwave. To remove and reinstall your vent grill only requires a basic Phillips screwdriver. With that, you're able to do the removal and reinstallation. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling the grill is typically just for cleaning purposes. Over time, just the air flowing through and from vapors that come up off of the stove below it when you're cooking will leave a bit of a sticky residue, and you'll find that you wind up getting some dirt and staining showing up on it. So you go to do it for that reason. Otherwise, if you've had to remove it for some reason and it's been cracked or it's broken, then of course you're going to be looking at replacing it for that reason. First thing we want to do, of course, for our own safety, is to unplug the microwave. So now that you have the power turned off, you're simply going to take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws at the top of the old grill. Once those are removed, then you're gently going to push the grill to disengage the tabs at the bottom and remove it completely. Slide the mounting clips off the old grill and onto the new grill. This is if you're replacing the part. If you're looking to clean it, then you don't need to do this step. Align the bottom tabs with the corresponding holes, lift the top of the grill, and secure it into place with those 2 Phillips screws. So there you go. That's how easy it is to remove and reinstall the vent grill on your Whirlpool microwave.